Sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rock is naturally formed in the Earth's crust. It is formed when sediment deposits from layers, compact, and then cement together, creating a new rock. Sedimentary rocks are used for building materials, and sometimes they even contain fossils. It's hard to believe, but sedimentary rocks, like this sandstone formation in Glen Canyon, Utah, are made from tiny bits of sediment. Pieces of rock, sand, and dirt are all sediment. Sediment is created through weathering and erosion. Wind, water, and ice all weather rocks. As the rocks weather, pieces of sediment are created. The sediment settles, or deposits, in one place and piles up, just like the Nockamixon cliffs that run along the Delaware River in Pennsylvania. Layer upon layer of settlement settle until the weight of the sediment squeezes the sediment together. Minerals that get mixed in the sediment help cement the sediment together, like in this close-up of the Bright Angel Shale Formation. When shells and other matter fall between the layers of sediment, they become part of the rock. Sedimentary rock, made up mostly of shell fragments, is called coquina. The watchtowers of Castillo de San Marcos is made of coquina. Several types of sedimentary rocks are used for building. Limestone and sandstone are examples. This limestone fossil reef, called Guadalupe Peak, formed over 200 million years ago in present-day Texas. Because sedimentary rocks often contain fossils, they help us learn about Earth's past. Here you can see the shell fossil of an Ichthyosaurus and 5 unborn babies. The Ichthyosaurus perished 66 million years ago before the dinosaurs.